Yes, Talia. What is that? What is your questions?
I have 6 eggs.
But I'm telling you first.
What?
I'm so smart person, huh?
No,
I'm so smart person.
I'm not true.
Mathematics is my favorite subject. Oh. Okay, you can go now. Ask me.
I have 6 eggs
Okay.
and I broke 2 of them.
Okay.
I cooked 2 of them
Okay.
and I ate them. How many eggs are left in there?
No left egg. There is no left egg.
No,
Am I right? Am I wrong?
wrong.
Why?
It's wrong. It's 2.
Why two eggs are left?
It's 2. Because it's,
You eat two eggs.
yeah. No. Yeah, no.
Okay.
Is
Got
that- The
it.
answer is 2.
You're right.